Mr. Seth? Okay, sorry, we lost the line out there. We lost the line out there. GVL Narasimha Rao? GVL Narasimha Rao, rethink?
Yeah, you see,
No.
I am not...
Is this the basic reason?
Yeah,
just tell us the fact. Is this the basic reason why there is so much infighting at the top levels of the, of the BJP today? Your Central Election Committee has been fighting for 3 days. Is this the basic reason? Have you realized that you've taken it too far? Are you evaluating the kind of response to Yediyurappa? Re-evaluating the potential relationship with the BSR Congress?
No. I think that's not true. We are, you see, BJP, unlike the Congress party where a family decides and rest all is a charade. BJP, the decision making is a very democratic process. And you have seen how individual leaders who are members of the high part committees have been expressing their views and their reservations. So every decision has to be a collective decision, which does not happen very easily. So there are a number of issues which have to be thrashed out threadbare in those meetings. It takes time, and BJP is a party where everyone wants to fight elections. Unlike Congress party, where every minister wants to run away from fight.
Yes,
Nobody wants to contest in Congress. They have to get hold of people to fight elections.
A question.
Yes, Gaurav.
You see, what Mr. Rao is saying is a very curious, argument, I find.
Yes, Prasenjit.
Yeah, I think Mr. Rao is making a very curious argument.
I would rather, Arnab, answer your questions
because
under the viewers
it is practicing
and not your panelists
politics
who have colored
BJP
views.
is a democratic party, but in this particular case, be it the Congress, Congress may be arriving at these decisions in whatever dynastic or distorted manner. The BJP may be very democratic, but both of them are arriving at similar kind of conclusions. Both of them are hobnobbing and promoting,
there is a distinction. I have made that clear right at the beginning.
Arnab,
the leaders who are
there is a very clear indication
that
BJP is a democratic party right now.
Very
They know they are not even benefit 140, 150.
I don't agree.
I think Mr. Narasimha Rao is in a fix. I think Mr. Narasimha Rao is in a fix tonight. And I sympathize with you, Mr. Narasimha Rao.
Of your democracy.
No, I have great sympathy. I have great sympathy, and by the way, one minute, Prasenjit. Prasenjit, a minute, please. Okay, calm down.
Going around and your prime ministerial candidate, he is flying to every rallies in the private jet of a corporate industrialist. From Gujarat.
Come on, I think these are silly allegations which we don't think is worthy of this.
Is this a democracy?
Gujarat
He's not
a democratic party you are.
No,
he is a prime ministerial candidate who has to campaign all over the country. He is leading the campaign. I think you should be looking at Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Rahul travels by privately owned jets.
I am not saying why is he flying.
You don't seem to have any focus there.
You had an opportunity. You had an opportunity. You had an opportunity. 1 minute, please. You had an opportunity, Mr. Narasimha Rao, a minute. Mr. Narasimha Rao, you had an opportunity. You had a golden opportunity. You could have taken a high moral ground. 1 minute. Today you are in that terrible position, and you know it. Don't deny it. You are in a position tonight where you cannot even raise a serious question about Pawan Kumar Bansal. Pawan Kumar Bansal, you know what he'll do? He'll turn around and point a finger back at you and say, Mr. Narasimha Rao, please keep quiet. I have not been charge sheeted. I am a prosecution witness.
Arnab, the cases are very different. And the public will make that decision.
What difference? What wool will you pull over the public's eyes? Mr. Narasimha Rao, what wool will you pull over the public's eyes? What wool will you pull over the public's eyes?
No. You cannot pull over any.
What wool will you pull over the public's eyes?
I think the people are.
The question is very simple. When your party lost in Karnataka, when your party,
they understand what kind of allegations have been made against
Mr. Narasimha Rao in 2013,
political conspiracy behind it.
In 2013, when your party
won Karnataka elections because they played this conspiracy, but they can't succeed every time.
Okay, so when it comes to Yediyurappa,
how can you say conspiracy?
Mr. Narasimha Rao, will you listen to me for a second, or are you decided like the Congress party spokespersons to go on and on? I'm just asking you something, please. Listen to me. When your party lost in May 2013, the BJP said certain issues are non-negotiable. One such issue is corruption. And people were so happy. Here was the BJP, a good party, Congress bad party. BJP teaching the ABC of corruption to the Congress party. Now, Bansal is not charge sheeted. You know what he will do? He will snub his nose at you. He will glare you back. He will point a finger right at your face, Mr. Narasimha Rao, and listen to me completely, don't interrupt me. And he will tell you, you don't have any ethics yourself. You don't have any morality yourself. You allow a person who allows a loss of 900 crores to the state-run public exchequer because he wants a cheap kickback of 20 crore rupees. You make him stand next to Narendra Modi and declare a new alliance simply because you're desperate to win in Karnataka. What moral authority do you have tonight? What ethics do you have tonight? What ground do you stand on tonight? You have none of all that left. And therefore, on this whole issue of taint no bar, you are equally complicit. And my next caller is Kadir from Chennai, marketing manager. Kadir, yes, good evening.
Completely, I think, a propaganda.
Good evening, Arnab. The question actually I want to ask to Congress, but it seems it ran away. Okay, but still
No, Congress has left the program. I don't know why. Yes, I wanted them to stay.
The question goes, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi always keep on telling that the corruption has to be eradicated from this country. But at the end of the day, the Congress giving tickets to the corruption people. So what is the purpose of telling this? What is this hypocrisy? I don't understand it. And one more thing is, all the parties are corrupted, okay? And the people of this country are supposed to choose who's the lesser thief, okay? And who steals in lakhs and who steals in gold. Who's the lesser thief? That's it. We don't have a choice. The people of this country have no choice at all. Because it's corrupted politicians, isn't it?
You have a choice. You vote, Kadir. You vote.
What the... Yeah, vote. But who's, I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, everybody is not going to stay on the same boat, you know? The people of this country, I mean, they don't have a choice really. I mean, you don't know. I mean, we don't have any choice actually. Who's the lesser thief? That's it.
Well, I think you do. And you can speak up. Kadir, thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Mr. Mukherjee is calling in from Kolkata. Mr. Mukherjee, good evening.
Good evening, Arnab.
Yeah, Mr. Mukherjee, who's your question to you? Making a point or asking a question?
I'll first ask a question, then I'd like to say a couple of words about it.
Quickly, just ask the question, please.
My question is, are the big political parties of the country confused? Confused because they are suddenly finding that the people are asking them questions. There is no reason to believe that they can understand why they are being questioned. For decades, they have been doing the same thing, looting thousands of crores from public exchequer. They're confused because they don't know how to respond.
Well,
I congratulate you on your data analysis and collection, but there's no point in going into details, I believe, because they are not understanding who are these people with the courts. Who are they to question? They're only there to vote.
Well, I think you know, I can sense your cynicism. I can feel your cynicism, Mr. Mukherjee. And you're calling in from Kolkata. I understand where you're standing in from, but ask yourself one thing. The Congress party will be scared. You know, they have dared the people a little by giving a ticket to Bansal. But they'd be dead scared of giving a ticket to Kalmadi. They'd be worried, at least hopefully worried about giving a ticket to Ashok Chavan. But that question can be taken by the BJP, which doesn't give a damn anymore what the people think.
Exactly.
By giving a ticket to Yediyurappa. Answer, Mr. Mukherjee. Go ahead, Go ahead.
You know why? You know why?
Narasimha Rao, answer Mr. Mukherjee.
I have explained this enough on this program, Arnab. You are targeting that one particular case, and I have told you it's a case of political vendetta, and we have paid the price. We have paid the price in assembly elections, and we cannot let Congress succeed every time. And we are very, very conscious of our commitment to the people, and the people
don't
today
make yourself out to be martyrs.
The only alternative.
Don't make yourself out to be martyrs.
We are not going to make any mistakes.
Don't make yourself out to be martyrs. This is exactly what the Samajwadi Party used to do.
We would not make any decisions.
Isn't it, Ajay Bose?
Going to win this election.
Ajay Bose, is this not exactly what the Samajwadi Party used to do when it gave 50% of MPs and MLAs I think it's a world record. The Samajwadi Party still holds Ajay Bose. 50% of their MPs and MLAs had declared criminal cases against them.
You being uncharitable to the
When I present the facts, I'm uncharitable.
They have horrible records.
We have
Yes,
started
Ajay Bose.
However much
and the
Gaurav
numbers have
Bhatia,
come down. It is the Samajwadi
Gaurav
Party
Bhatia
that
may deny
tickets
this
to criminals.
but come on, Gaurav Bhatia, it's an indefensible case. It is an indefensible case. I feel sorry for you. You are one of the very few honest people
Mr.
there.
Bose, I am not
I feel
defending
very
anything.
sorry for you.
All that I said was with
please.
utmost honesty. All that I said was that we are reducing the
I
number
know
of criminals, and what we
you have
aim
a
and
terrible
aspire
job.
for is to give a list where there are no criminals.
But unfortunately, the problem with political parties as a whole have this problem. Because they can't point a finger at each other. Because they are all tainted. They are all tainted.
I didn't point
And the
any finger at others.
BJP, which had an opportunity
all
to be
I
a
said
party
was,
with a difference,
all I said was
has
that the
exposed
national
itself.
parties.
We are a party with a difference.
No, but the
That
regional
is
parties.
the point I also wanted to make.
No, don't claim to be a party with a difference. Some statistics out that you need to understand. One,
the people know.
you know, don't.
I can also play statistics that would show that parties like BJP and Congress have more criminals. I can also
Mr.
show.
Narasimha Rao.
So
Mr. Narasimha Rao, I'll tell you how you are a party with a difference. 107 candidates have been announced by you. Okay, out of the 63 who have been analyzed, 23 have criminal cases against them. 14 have serious criminal cases against them, which means 37% are facing criminal charges and 23% are facing serious charges. Your percentage is higher than that of the Congress party. You have, in the race to win the election, let me tell you, Narendra Modi and Rajnath Singh have already won the race to field more candidates with criminal cases. Congratulate yourself tonight. You have beaten the Congress in fielding candidates with criminal cases. Congratulate yourself tonight. Go pat yourself on the back.
That's terrible.
Pat yourself on the back.
So desperate a party
Let me
right
tell
now
you,
that they will field anybody right now if they are sure that he will win the elections. They are so desperate right now.
Come on, I think you should not be giving this kind of a platform to Samajwadi Party to be really sounding like a party
I am
of
free
gentlemen.
to voice my opinion,
I
Mr.
think
Narasimha
Samajwadi
Rao.
Party
Every
speaking
time that I
such
speak, you
things
say I am
is a
giving
bit
sermon.
shocking
I am
to
only
people.
stating the
I don't
facts.
think they'll be able to
And
survive
I am
this
so
shock.
happy that I am able to
They cannot survive
disturb
this
your
shock.
conscience at least.
According
that you
to
have to intervene
Samajwadi Party
immediately.
talking about morality.
According to my information, 1 minute, Gaurav Bhatia.
If BJP is corrupt,
Gaurav Bhatia.
if Gujarat does not have a Lok Ayuk for 8 years, you have not answered my question, Mr. Narasimha Rao. Why is it that Gujarat does not have a Lok Ayuk for the last 8
You
years?
see, your problem
I
is
don't answer that.
with all of
Was
you.
the chief minister there so insecure that an honest Lok Ayuk may come and expose him?
Take this kind of ceremony.
You know,
I
this
don't
country
answer
knows
that
about this country knows about the
No,
Durga
I'm
Shakti
asking
Nagpal
you,
case.
If
1 minute,
was Mr. Narendra
please.
Modi afraid that an honest Lok Ayuk may expose him?
I'll ask Narendra Modi the questions. No, you answer your questions.
Talking about honesty.
CR Writer is calling from Mumbai. Mr. Writer, good evening.
Arnab, very good evening to you. How are you?
I am very well. Good evening to you this Thursday evening. What's your question?
Before I can ask a question, my friend Sanghvi has run away from there, yeah. You have chased him away.
Who?
Mr. Singhvi, who else?
No, he went away. I agree. He ran away. I won't say ran away, but he suddenly went away.
Arnab, I want to ask one simple question, yeah. And a very simple question. How are these cartoons been selected as ministers to run this country? Please answer me that question. These are nothing but a group of cartoons coming from the Cartoon Network. They are so dirty and corrupted. I feel ashamed to be staying in this country called India. I would like to ask you one simple question. Arnab, tell me, in an A-class country like ours, we have so many good companies like Siemens, L&T, Polycab, so on and so forth. Selection in these companies is so tough, so tough, so tough. We have to give written exams after exams to get selected. I want to ask this question. How are these cartoons been selected as MLAs and MPs? Please answer me that question. It's sickening for me, to
No,
say the
but
country is
here
so
is the
corrupted.
problem.
Mr. Writer, Prasenjit used to be with a political party till recently. He's now outside. He's answering you. Go ahead, Prasenjit. Answer, Mr. Writer.
Yeah, I think the problem is that it is citizens who elect these people. So either if you are not voting, sir, please go out and vote for honest candidates. And if you are voting, then please exercise your franchise more wisely. Because it is citizens who are voting, electing these corrupted people.
Point is taken. Thank you very
And
much,
now
Mr.
they have the Nota option also.
Yeah, they have the Nota option. There is a candidate called Narendra Bhati from Gautam Budh Nagar. Right? He was caught on camera by the media saying, I will suspend Durga Shakti Nagpal. Besides that, he also has the unique privilege of his biodata glitters. He also has attempt to murder on the one side and facing his job description to be elected. Now see, you don't let me complete, Gaurav Bhatia. He's facing his job
Dimple Yadav
description.
as well.
Facing his job description,
no,
he is also
you can
facing...
highlight the good candidates as well.
He also faces charges of kidnapping. So he has two simultaneous specialities. One, attempt to murder. Second, kidnapping. And third, getting honest IAS officers suspended. You have done him the singular honor of giving him the ticket from Gautam Budh Nagar. Congratulations, Gaurav Bhatia. Maybe you think these are the kind of people that the 10 crore new young voters are waiting for.
Can I respond to that?
No, there's no response. You know, you hate it as much as I do. Just that you can't say it being a party.
Why can't I respond?
Because you're embarrassed.
I'm as hopeful as you are that, the process has begun in my party, and I say it with some confidence that the number of criminals have gone down.
Sure.
And there would be a day when I would be on your program saying that there is no criminal. I am not here to say that FIR and charge
Somebody on our program.
Excuses. I am here to say that the process has begun in Samajwadi Party.
Somebody on our program. I wish Abhishek Manu Singhvi had stayed tonight. I wish Abhishek Manu Singhvi had listened. I wish he had listened to some of the callers this evening because it was important. Because he would have got a sense of how this country thinks. And perhaps 10 Janpath should also realize that it can't argue legally anymore when it comes to issues of corruption. The vote is yours. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on that debate tonight. Thank you.